Hello everyone. Today we're diving into Google's recent algorithm updates rolled out in September and October 2023. These updates have stirred the SEO and content marketing waters, and it's crucial to understand their implications to stay ahead in the game. First up, the September 2023 Helpful Content Update. This update was all about promoting user-centric content and demoting content solely optimized for search engines. It introduced an improved classifier and altered guidelines on AI content and third-party content hosting, nudging creators towards more user-focused content. Fast forward to October, and we saw two significant shifts. First, a multilingual spam update aimed at cleaning up spam in various languages. And second, a focus on semantic search techniques to understand user intent better and deliver more relevant search results. What does this mean for SEO and content marketing? Well, a move towards semantic SEO, which goes beyond mere keyword optimization, and a more lenient approach towards machine-generated content. But remember, the key is to create high-quality, user-centric content. Adapting to these updates could lead to better search engine rankings and user engagement. Embrace semantic SEO, prioritize quality over quantity, and if you're using AI, ensure it adheres to Google's new guidelines. We've seen several real-world examples where websites that adapted to these changes saw improved rankings and traffic. Continuous monitoring, analysis, and an adaptable strategy are the hallmarks of navigating through these updates successfully. In conclusion, staying updated and adapting to Google's evolving guidelines is the road to sustained online success. These updates underline the importance of a user-centric approach and semantic understanding in SEO and content marketing strategies. Check out our references listed in the description below for a deeper understanding of these updates. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful updates on SEO and digital marketing. Until next time, keep optimizing.